To monitor Trust Wallet Face ID login, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Face ID technology and that you have the latest version of the Trust Wallet app installed. Open the Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Settings menu, usually found in the top right or left corner of the screen. In the Settings menu, look for the Security or Password section and select it. Here, you will find the option to enable Face ID login. Toggle the switch to enable Face ID, and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. You will be asked to scan your face, which will be used to create a unique facial map. Once Face ID is enabled, you can test it by logging out of the Trust Wallet app and then attempting to log back in using Face ID. Look for the Face ID prompt on the login screen, and position your face in front of the camera to authenticate. If your face is recognized, you will be granted access to the app. To monitor the Face ID login, check the Trust Wallet app regularly for any suspicious activity or login attempts. You can also set up notifications to alert you of any unusual activity, such as multiple failed login attempts or logins from unknown devices. In addition to monitoring the app, make sure to keep your device and the Trust Wallet app up to date with the latest security patches and updates. This will help protect your wallet from any potential security vulnerabilities. It is also important to note that Face ID login is not foolproof, and there are some potential risks to be aware of. For example, if someone has a similar face to yours, they may be able to gain access to your wallet. To mitigate this risk, make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively monitor your Trust Wallet Face ID login and help protect your cryptocurrency from unauthorized access. Regularly review your account activity and keep your device and app up to date to ensure the security of your wallet.